we just got this Dreo, and let's open her up. It's a quick start guide, kind of tells you how to set it up. It's got a base that we've got to put together, but we'll show you how to do that. All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and we'll get her out of the box. And this is our base. And there should be another piece. There it is. I think this is going to be relatively easy to set up. You just got to get, it takes longer to get the parts out of here. So we're just going to go ahead and set these down here for now. It does come with a remote, right? And look, you get batteries. Gotta love that, right? So it does come with a user's manual. You're going to need that, right? Set that over there. Here's your remote. Here's our batteries. Let's go ahead and get the remote out of here. Here's our remote. And yeah, the batteries go back there. I gotta get the batteries out of the plastic. The hardest part is getting everything out of the plastic. If it wasn't for that, we'd had it put together by now. All right, so once you've got your batteries out, pop this over. And you can see that it's AAAs you need, but they come with it, so you're good. Remember that your negative goes to your spring. And then you just put it in there and close the top. All right, so this is ready to go. Let's set that over here. All right, now we got to pull our fan out. All right, that's it. Let's get the box out of the way. All right, here's the fan, and oh my gosh, you got to get it out of the plastic. There are some instructions on that thing, but that's okay. All right, so here's the fan. Check it out. I think we need to pull this off of here. Okay, we're doing good. Looking good. Set her down. Oh, okay, I do have to get this plastic off of the back, right? So I think I can just pull it right off. Yeah, there we go. Whew, that was good. All right, so the question is, do we put the base together before we... Okay, I think I've got it. So I think we do put the base together. And so these are usually very simple, right? If you look, it's got these little thingamabobs here, which are going to go in to here, right? So you're going to kind of like go like this. So I've got to kind of like match it up on both sides. So, oh, there we go. Do you see that? So you really got to give it some elbow grease. There we go. That little part right there has to catch. And those two things will slide in, but this has to catch right there. And I think also you can get it, you can undo it. You see that? So I can go like this. Let's say if I want to put it away, I could just do that, and it will just undo. So again, what you're going to do is you're going to match them up, and you're going to kind of put them together, and then you're going to use elbow grease and get that to snap. Elbow grease, get that to snap. And that's it. All right, now, to get it on here, first of all, you got to get the plug through here, right? So I'm just going to shove that through like this. And then I'm going to pick this up. It's going to be upside down. Let me see if I can do it. All right, so what I want to do is I want to show you guys. So here we are. Let me back this up. All right, so now look, I put the cord through here, right? You see that? And now what we've got to do is we got to get these right here through these little holes. So once I do that, I can go like this, and then I can twist it. You see that? And when I do that, it locks in. And that's it right there. Bam, done. Now this, we're going to smush through here like this. You see that? And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now we're ready to go. Now we can stand our fan up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it like this, set it down, right? And there it is. Bam. Okay, there's our fan, right? So I've got to plug it in. I just plug it into the wall. Right, here we go. All right, we're in. And I do believe we just heard something. So if I go here and I press this button, it turns on. Woo, look at that. And I can go higher, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if you want to go lower, you click this one. You follow me? And then check it out. We can make it swivel. You ready? There it goes. Take a look at that. It's making the swivels. Well, it's making a pretty good swivel too, I gotta say. Let's see it come back. Okay, I think we stop it by just clicking that. And if I click this, it gives me, like, I think that is like economy. And that's at night. And that one is just auto. And then you can set the timer, and it also has a speaker on it. So you can turn it off so you don't have to listen to it. You see that? It doesn't make a beep. Now watch, I'll turn it off. Now watch. So it makes the beep. So this just turns the sound off. But basically that's it right there, man. Let's go ahead and click it up. Let's jam on it. Here we go. It's oscillating. Woo! It's pretty good. I gotta say, that's a pretty good fan. And also, if you want, you can do manual. All right, so here's your manual controls on this. To lower it, I just click here. And that's 1, that's 2. Notice the fan right there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that it goes to 8. Now you want to turn it off, you click here. Turn it on here, right? You want it to swivel, you can click this, and it swivels, right? And it makes a pretty good swivel, very swivelable. Let's see it come back. Here it comes. All right, so that's that. I'm going to stop it. And then this gives you, all right, you've got economy, you got nighttime, right? Basically, it turns off the sound so you don't have to hear it. And then one more time here, you got auto, but I'm going to leave it on super cold. And then when I'm using it, I'm going to really bang it up. I'm going to go full blast because I like to feel it on me. You know what I mean, Jelly Beans? So that's the manual controls. So just pump it right through here. You can really feel it. Here, let's see if you can see it. Highly recommend picking one of these bad boys up. Check it out right here. Peace out.